Good afternoon, everybody. Fan Steve here once again. Today, I have had an unfortunate accident with my Lasko Franken fan here. Well, no worries. The fan should still be fine. Not that I can say the same thing for the power cord. Yes, the power cord has come undone from the fan here, and I'm not exactly sure if this was a big mistake that I made, or if this is the lousiest piece of heat shrinking ever produced. Had the fan right here next to the bed, and this is where my brother sleeps. And so I walked in and I realized that something was coming out of the bed with two wires sticking out. And I grabbed it. A big spark comes out right in my face, and you can see it from there. You can see the burn mark, and the power cord was still plugged in. So I guess I'm just gonna have to find another power cord for this, and I'm gonna have to store this away somewhere. I know that it's still running. Not that I can say the same thing for this here. With these wires that have touched, that it has shorted. So this cord is pretty much done for. So I'm gonna have to fix this. So there you go. Here is an upcoming Lasko box fan repair. And as for this thing, well, there you have it, everybody. I'm going to see what I can do about installing a new cord on this thing. And of course, I'll be making a video of it if I ever have the time. And there shall be a part 2 on this. I will see you later, and bye-bye.